So if you don't already know, I'm going to show you step by step to having the long-lasted, beautiful gel press-on nails to achieve, you guys. This is the most flawless, easy way to get salon quality, yes, salon quality press-on nails at home, you guys. These are from BTARTbox, and they come with everything you need. From the gel polish, from the adhesive, the sticker, you name it, it comes with the stick, even the nail filer. These kits that they have are really hot, you guys. Check out their website because this came with 3 different ways for me to apply the perfect natural nail. So whenever you're in a rush or you just want something stunning on your nails without the hassle, I'm going to show you how to achieve a seamless natural finish that looks just like your natural nails, step by step. Like it looks like you just stepped out of a salon. So stick around and pay attention very closely, and I'll walk you through the most foolproof method to install these gel press-on nails, because flawless nails are just a few minutes away. Once you're ready to commit to a longer wearing time, then you'll definitely do this, what I'm about to show you guys right now, because I'm doing something that's going to last for a long time. So it's no need for extra shopping. Apply the gel glue, you guys. It's called XCOA TTIPS. It's a UV and a LED cure glue on both sides. So you want to do your nail, right in the middle, going out to the center, and then you want to apply it on the actual press-on nail in the inside. But make for sure you filed your nail down a little bit. You don't want no oil on the surface, and make for sure the press-on nail is filed in the inside too, so the adhesive can grab onto your natural nail much better. That's another tip and a secret that a lot of people don't know. The natural oil of your nail will make or break you. So if you're very oily or your nails were dirty and you just put on the press-on nails, they're not going to last that long, girl. So make sure your hands are really clean and you file that first layer of the surface of your nail, and then you put that press-on nail. So keep in mind, the package did come with other methods. So if you just want your nails to last for 2 days, you're going to do the little sticker the same way. You're still going to use the alcohol wipe in the nail filer, and then push your skin back off of your nail bit, off of the skin a little bit using the stick, because if you don't do that, then the nail will pop off too. You got to make sure all that little skin is off the nail, and you can do that way. It'll last for a couple days, and then you can use the super glue that's in the kit too. But I like doing this way because Gel X in the salons, you guys, is $80 to $120 in LA. This is very expensive, and everybody gives me compliments. If you're not into hot pink, they do have black tips, normal French tips. They have longer nails. They have shorter nails. They have square. They have all different types of cuts. I just like very natural and simple, like this almond shape, but no, they have different shapes. So make for sure you take a look on their website. They always have sales too going on right now. So definitely check around the holidays. You'll always see some specials in there. But if you had to choose from a regular press-on nails from something from these, it's no comparisons, because how they design these press-on nails, it has a natural coating of the Gel X polish on there, and it's much thicker, but it's still bendable, and it looks really like a natural nail. So this right here, I'm showing you guys how I'm making it seamless. So this is my other top secret. If you don't have a drill bit, you can use a nail filer, but make for sure, baby, you file that really good, and don't dig into your natural nail. You don't want to give it a ring of fire, is what they call being a nail tech. Don't want to do that. So be very careful, put it on low speed, take your time, and just really, really smooth out that edge. If you can see it, put your glasses on. If you can't see, and zoom in there and smooth that puppy out. And then you're going to need a little bit of acetone. Yes, you can wear a mask. It is a bit strong. And you're going to apply a little brush or a Q-tip or whatever you have on your nail you know, but in that area of where you're filing it, where you want it to blend from your natural nail all the way to the press-on nails. That is the goal. So when it does grow out, it grows out seamlessly and flawless. The press-on nail looks extravagant, gorgeous. You're going to love your gel nails. Well, gel press-on nails, because in this kit, they also have gel polish too. But make for sure as every step you're doing that I'm showing you, from filing, installing, washing, from just every time, you just keep getting that alcohol. You just keep getting that alcohol and you just keep wiping and keep wiping. We want to make for sure it's no dust, debris, dirt, hair, anything on the nails as doing the nails through all the steps. And that's another great tip of how you're going to get flawless natural nails that last long. Please make for sure use those alcohol wipes, or you just buy a bottle of alcohol and just wipe the mess out of your nail and make for sure it's really clean. That's really going to help it stick. So once you got the glue on your nail and the fake nail, see where I'm showing you right here, I apply it at a 45-degree angle and I hold it about 30 seconds in the LED light for it to cure. You can do it like 60 seconds or whatever you feel is comfortable. Make sure that puppy cures, because if it doesn't, you could have an allergy reaction, you know, for not curing underneath. So we want to make for sure we're healthy ladies. You see how I'm applying the acetone with my brush, you guys, stroking it the opposite way. I did not want it to mess up the pink, hot pink tips. And we're blending into the natural of my natural nail, so that's why you want to do that direction. All right, you guys, so now I'm putting a nice top coating on top of the gel polish that I put on first. So I'm putting the glue so it can be more good adhesive. But make for sure, again, you guys, you filed inside that nail. You put the glue on the nail and on the nail. Now that I have the glue in place, I am placing the nail. I did apply it on in a 45-degree angle. Make for sure you have your LED light so you can cure it properly. I have this rhinestone one I got from Shein, but in the kit it came with one too. It was very handy. But because I'm doing my nails on my own, this is working out a little bit better. But I did notice on Amazon they have some with a stand. All right, make for sure it cures all the way. You could even press the LED lamp twice, multiple times, and move it around a circle motion if it has a burning sensation, because if your nail is thin like mine, because I'm kind of giving acrylics a break because my nail's been so thin, but by using these press-on nails is bringing my nails healthier because I have all the control, and it's better than going to the salon. Now you are expert on putting press-on gel nails. Using this method, you'll have flawless natural nails, you guys. It'll be seamless and your nails will be healthier, and you'll get comments and they'll look pretty and you'll save money in the bank. Make for sure you subscribe to my channel, share this with friends and family that you know that loves their nails, and I'll see you guys next time.